Hi everybody! Welcome to Crafts Around the House with Miss Cheryl, where we make crafts using things we can find around the house. Today we will learn how to make a cute kawaii bookmark. Meow! First you will need a yellow piece of paper. Use a ruler to draw a straight line about 2 inches wide along one end of the paper. Cut out this strip of paper and set it aside for now. Now we will use the rest of the yellow piece of paper. On this piece of paper, draw a wide circle. This will be your cat's face. Next, draw 2 shapes like this under your circle. These will be your cat's arms. Now, draw 2 ears on your cat. Next, cut out your cat shape. Flip the shape over so you don't see your pencil marks. Now, let's draw a cat face. First, draw a nose. Now draw a mouth. Next, draw some eyes. Next, draw 2 little lines on this side of the face. And then draw 2 lines on this side of the face. Next, draw 1, 2, 3 little lines on your kitty cat's head. Next, give your cat 2 rosy cheeks. Now, glue or tape your cat shape onto the strip of paper that you cut out earlier. Like this. And that's it. That is how you make a cute kawaii cat bookmark. This is how it looks inside of a book. And this is how it looks holding your page for you with its little paws. Now that you know how to make a cute kawaii bookmark, you can use these same instructions to create other animal bookmarks too. Like a teddy bear. Or a bunny rabbit. Or a panda. The possibilities are endless. Well, that's the end of our craft for today. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make a kawaii bookmark, everybody. I'll see you again soon, and until then, keep crafting. Bye now.